What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to change an air filter on your vehicle. Okay, first thing you need to do is you need to pop your hood and you need to locate your air box. Check it out. I have a very dirty Acura and this is my air box. So this is where my filter is going to be. And in order for me to take this box out, I need a Phillips screwdriver, and I need to hit all four of these. 1, 2. There's one back there. Let me see if we can see it. Yeah, all the way right there. 3, and the fourth one's down there. All right, so do a little YouTube magic, and let's get this going. Okay, so once all of them are loose, let's see. Just lift this up and it should expose our old one. Bam! There you go. Let's see. Now let me take the old one out. Okay. Look at that difference. Out with the old, in with the new. Okay, looks like this gasket was not sealing right. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one in there. Let's see. There we go. Alright, let's slide the new one in there. Perfect. Now, let's put this back on and tighten up our screws. And that is how you change your air filter on your vehicle. This works for almost every single car, unless you have a cold air intake or like one of those K&N filters. You won't need to do this, but other than that, yes you will. Yes you will. Come on, there we go. All right, guys. Well, after this, I'm going to show you how you can get your cabin air filter changed. Now, I just did this, so I don't have the old filter to show you, but it doesn't take long. So let's go in here. Let me show you. So we're here. It's located inside here behind the glove box on most cars. Okay, so let's try to see if we can set this here and get going. First thing you need to do is, of course, open the glove box, and up here there's some tabs. I don't know if you can see up here, this right here, you need to push this in so it can come out. So let's do that. All right, let me put this right here. Voila, just like that, it comes out. So our next step is gonna be this box right here. You see this right here? Our cabin air filter's in here. Okay, so let's see if I can put you right here somewhere. Anyways, there's 2 clips on each side. Let's see if you can see them. You can't see them. That one you can't. All you gotta do is push in. Okay, and then push in on the other one, and it should release the filter like that. And then you can pull the filter out and replace it with your new one. Okay, it comes out just like that. So put the new one in, then slide this back in, clicks into place, and then you just do the same thing here. Push one tab, push the other tab in, and then done. All right, so That is how you change your air filter and your cabin air filter on almost every single car. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button, share, comment what you think. Stay safe out there. Have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. All right, have a good one, guys. Take care. Deuce.